Welcome to Learn Step by Step YouTube channel. Car tires. Let's start with the wheels. Draw 2 circles for the front tire and another 2 circles, slightly overlapping for the back tire. Whole body. Now, let's outline the main body of the car. Connect the front and back tires with curved lines to form the chassis. Add the hood sloping down towards the front and the trunk area towards the back. Window. Next, draw the side window. It looks like a curved shape towards the back of the car's body. Front mirror. Draw a curved line across the front of the car, connecting the top of the hood to the roof. Front details. Finally, let's add the front bumper and the mouth. Draw a curved line for the bumper and a wider curved line below it for the smiling mouth. Add a couple of smaller lines inside the mouth to complete the look. Let's marker this car to look more beautiful. Add color. Now it's time to bring your drawing to life with color. Black color for eyes. Black for both tires. Black for window sheet. Now red for whole car body. Look at this super speedy, shiny red car. It's the color of fire trucks and race cars. Imagine all the adventures you could have in this amazing red car. Would you like to explore more colors or features for your dream car? What colors do apples have? Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, a subscription would mean a lot. Love this? Then you'll love what's coming next. Subscribe.